Hello everybody. Today we are going to clean my house. It is pretty messy right now, so I figured why not make a little home makeover video, clean with me video. I know I like watching these because they motivate me to clean my house, so maybe I can motivate one of you. Alright, let's go. So we are starting with my bedroom. My bed is not made. We have some stuff on the floor. We have some laundry that needs to be put away. And then we just kind of have this big mess of a shelf. So, time to fix it. Start with the easy thing, the bed. I'm kind of neurotic about this stuff. I really like my bed to match. It throws off the aesthetic, you know? There's something in this pillow that was like crunchy. What is this? It's the wrapper for those things you put in your laundry to make it smell good. We're gonna put the blanket the right way because no one ever feels like putting the blanket the right way is an important thing to do, but it is very important. A lot of people may think that a king bed is a perfect square. It seems like it is a perfect square, but it is in fact not a perfect square. It's like a little bit longer than it is wide, just like a little bit. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and stuff this down. We'll just go ahead and take this basket out of the room. Next, we're going to work on this thing here. This does not belong in here. This also does not belong in here. Headphones do not belong. I have my little soft hamster. He just lives here. He can stay. And now I have this mess of hats that I don't even really want here because it's not a good spot for them, but I don't know where to put them. Just making sure I want all of these. This one I'm not so sure about. Yeah, I'm not feeling this. It's a little too new age for me. I like all of my hats, honestly. Except this one because it's not mine. All my hats look the same. It's like black and black, black, black and white, black and gray. So I have a massive pile of beanies. Okay, great. This one is a must keep. It's got the banana cat on it. And these, this one, I'll keep this forever. And I just love this. It fits my aesthetic very well. It's like a dad hat, but also it's emo. Haha, that looks better, right? Oh yeah, that looks way better. Alright, right here we just have some shoes and some trash, basically. So we'll just toss the shoes out. Everything else is mostly trash and dishes, but I'm trying to organize first. I'm gonna do Greg's closet again. See this? See this catastrophe? Now that all the clothes are folded, we can put them back in so they will look presentable. And then we have to do this shelf, and that shelf. He has too many shirts. I think he has more shirts than me though. See how much better that is? Gotta do the whole thing. This one's fine. Before we do that though, let's go up to the very top and just fix some of these pants because some of them do not belong there. Some of them are falling down. He has his suspenders flopping over here. See, these are PJs. PJs go over here. How does he even find any of his clothes? See, that is much better. Now I just have to do this thing down here because a lot of stuff doesn't belong there. It's like the miscellaneous shelf and I need to distribute it. Voila, it is organized. Let's check my side of the closet. I don't know what it looks like. I'm honestly scared. So here's my side of the closet. It's not awful. This could definitely use some work and just a little tidying up, but I don't have to like do a whole deep haul of it like I did with his. See, I just got some little scragglers here. Pajamas are taken care of. The last thing to do really is just pick up all the trash in the room and polish it up so we can just speed through that, I guess. Alright guys, there you have it. A clean room. That's my phone on the bed, so it doesn't count. I'm gonna take it out. But it's nice and clean in here. All that's clean. The windowsill is clean. And the shelves are clean. Shelves. I'm gonna go get a candle to light in here so it smells nice. I just broke my camera. I'm on another camera now, but I just broke my other one. So, I'm pretty stoked. Just fell off my tripod here. Just plunk, dead. So I'm probably gonna be rage cleaning the rest of this video. I apologize in advance. I'm gonna light this candle on the floor. I got it on sale at Kohl's, but then we found the same candle not on sale at Target for the same price. So I just wanna say, what the f Cole's clean room. Broken camera. Let's move on to the next room. Okay, room number 2. Welcome to my bathroom. It looks pretty clean. However, my drawers are very disorganized. Here's what we got going on. There's some stuff on the counter here that I need to take care of. More laundry to take downstairs. We'll start here with the counter. Most of this just belongs in the drawers. My contacts came in. I make a bag, which I've just been putting down here because it doesn't really matter. Okay, so some of the drawers are clean and some are a little disorganized. See, this whole side is pretty much organized. This toothbrushes, and then the one below that is just like deodorant, cologne, you know, all that stuff. Because this is my side of the sink. Now, Gregory's side of the sink. They're mostly organized, but they're just like, this is a miscellaneous drawers. But I mean, for the most part, certain medications. But, oh God. We apparently have this nice manicure kit. I didn't even know we had this. Now we can move on to the closet. The closet is actually pretty clean. I reorganized it the other day myself, but the laundry does need to be taken out of here, and some of these lotions and whatnot need to be put away. Laundry is completely full in here. Okay. Next, welcome to my shower. We need to fix it at the top because it's falling apart. Basically, I kind of just have soap everywhere. All right, I think we're clean in here. Shower's clean, counter's clean. Let's light the candle and hope my camera doesn't break this time. This is just a really standard random candle, but it smells good and it makes my bathroom smell good, so we're gonna light it. Ta-da! All right, moving on. All right, we're in the worst room of the house. We do a lot of eating, so I have a lot of dishes that I am literally less than a day behind on. This is how quick my dishes pile up. I also made pancakes this morning, so I have stuff out for my pancakes, I have stuff out from lunch, I have stuff out from snacks, so this is the biggest hurdle to tackle right here. But we're gonna start with the dishes, unload the dishwasher, load up all of this junk, and then we'll worry about the counters. Let's go. So honestly, my dishwasher's pretty empty, if you can tell, because I have been pulling dishes out of it to use. Literally, there's 5 in there. I tell you, if I could change one thing about this house, it would be more counter space. Done. So dishes are probably my least favorite chore. I think they're most people's least favorite chore. So I think it's best maybe to just speed through this as well. Let's do it. All right, next order of business are these counters. A lot of it, honestly, is trash, and a lot of it is dishes that were used to make pancakes. I added strawberries, as you can see. I added chocolate chips, and then I have to wipe it down and probably use a knife to get the pancake batter mix off the counters. That's the problem with not cleaning up your pancake mixer, that it sticks to the counter, hardens. Try to put away our chocolate chips. I like them in the freezer. And our can't believe it's not butter, and our egglies. Now see, that wasn't so bad. Now we have this half of the counter. Most of this is groceries that I bought yesterday. We also have our ice cream cones. Gotta make sure you put some elbow grease into it, get everything off. That will require a knife, but other than that, next is the dining room. Yikes. A bomb. We got a chomper plant and a penguin here on the table. There's a whole pile of seaweed on the floor for some reason. I don't know. Of course, we have slime sitting out. Who wouldn't have slime sitting out? These bad boys up at Barnes & Noble for 2 for $10. Corkles and the biggest word search ever with 700 puzzles because I'm a nerd. Now all that's left to do is spray the table. It's multi-purpose, okay? Ow, 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 how did it pinch me? Good thing it's streak-free. I don't want to streak my table. Another haul of shoes I found. Oh. My living room is really not that bad if you think about it. There's just a few things on the floor here. Just gotta pick them up.
Hey guys, as you can see, my garage is a mess again. So I'm gonna go through it and clean it up ASAP. Let's do this. Go. Hi, welcome to the toy room. It's a hot mess. We have all sorts of books in here, including
including like these big puppy ones. I mean, I don't have another bookcase, so might as well. Stuffed animals go in here, as well as this baby. Ta-da! It's clean. Let's open the door all the way so you can see. Clean. Alright, I'm in my final room, which is the basement, and it is a hot mess. It's not so bad over here, and this is all like work stuff, so I may kind of leave this be. The bed, Exhibit A. Hot mess, because it has 2 blankets on it. For some reason, king sized. The other one actually fits. Ow, I keep stepping on these pair of green headphones and they hurt so much every time. There, that was so much better. My markers, put them in here, which has a bunch of video ideas on it and also a bunch of names I've been testing for my middle name. So far I'm liking Spencer, but I'm very unsure. Favorite coloring book? Do you guys want to see some of my pictures? I did not finish this one. I just started him. He's gonna be awesome. I'm almost done with this. Got some flowers to finish. Pretty sick. All right, I think that's most of what I need in here. Now we'll just get some of the trash because a lot of this is just like tiny little toys that don't get used. I found this. Remember when these were cool? Are they still considered cool? Were they ever considered cool?
Hey, drummer. Drop
Shut
the
up.
beat.
Okay, it's still cute.
Rock on, little drummer. Hey, drummer.
If you don't see one on my Instagram soon, they were all ugly. I don't even know where this goes. What am I doing? My juice! Alright, now we just gotta tackle right there. I know where half of this stuff belongs, so I'm just like finding a spot for it. I found a pride flag. I haven't seen this puppy in a while. It's me.
The drum.
Stop! Oh, I'm gonna fold it for now. That doesn't mean I'm no longer bi, because I totally am. And now the room looks like this. Nice and clean. Well, that was super fun. It took me all day. But it's clean, so that's great. Hopefully this will be motivating to you guys to clean as well. Make your house look nice. It's very liberating. And I feel liberated. I feel good. I feel clean, except I don't because I need to take a shower. But after that, we'll definitely feel clean. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again next time.